Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video I'll be talking about the haptic feedback review on this Mi 11X device, as you can see friends. So let's see how good the haptic feedback is and what are the options you are getting in this phone and what are things you need to know about this haptic feedback as well. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to check the links in description. Also do subscribe to my channel friends. There are plenty of videos, more than 100 videos which are uploaded on the Mi 11X device. So if you are curious to know more other details about the Mi 11X device, the playlist will be the very much useful for you all. So let's begin the haptic feedback. First, where you can access and how is the intensity level you can access. So let me try to go to the settings, and in the settings go to the sound and vibration. In the sound and vibration you can find this kind of option, so which is called the haptic feedback, as you can see here. So if you want, you can enable, or if you want, you can disable the haptic feedback, but definitely we will be trying to enable the option. So once you enable that option, you do get this kind of slider, as you can see, which is the haptic feedback level slider. So which has very good customization and very strong vibrations, I would definitely say friends, in this phone. So which are very good. So in the other smartphones, there will be three options. One is weak, medium and high. So this kind of options will be there where you can adjust according to that. But with this kind of slider, so it's like decreasing the brightness and increasing the brightness, how much you want. So you don't want 0 and you don't want 50, you don't want 100. Some people, they want exactly 30%, some people they want 70%. So that's how the brightness works, and same thing they applied this kind of mechanism for the feedback as well. So if you want to use at 75%, you can use. If you want to use 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, you can use. So this is the main advantage friends of using this haptic feedback. But overall the haptic feedback is really great in this phone. I'm getting very good feedback as well when I'm typing on this phone, which doesn't look completely cheap. It looks completely like premium haptic feedback overall in terms of the performance wise. So and the haptics got integrated into the applications as well. For example, in the settings if you are trying to open this called game turbo, as you can see, let me try to open the game turbo. Whenever you open the game turbo, the game opens, and when you're trying to change the game in this mode, you'll get some kind of haptic feedback on the top when you're trying to change the switch between the applications, any games, as you can see. So that is another good advantage here. Even by default, a clock application as well, which is a clock here, whenever you're trying to set the alarm, you'll get that kind of vibrations on the back side. Not only that, even in the camera as well. So let me try to show you the camera. Even in the camera, when you're trying to change the options, you'll get this kind of haptic feedback on the back side. So this is how the haptic feedback is all actually integrated into the system, which makes really good experience while using this kind of smartphone. And in case if you're having any other doubts regarding this phone, so make sure to comment below, and also don't forget to check the links in description friends for more details about this TikTok live wallpaper, what I'm using, and other videos on the MIUI 12.5 version as well. All the videos will be all in the description links below. So see you in the next video friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.